So these are the instructions for checkpoint number 4 on the case study about John Wayne Gacy. Of course, this first page is just simply the notes. You have both the printout and the recorded PowerPoint. For the focus notes, based on the documentary, the essential question is, is there a difference between a sociopath and a psychopath? You will need to try to see if there is a difference. Of course, you want to collect evidence and in your notes here. For the overriding question on the reflection is, would you consider, based upon the information provided, would Gacy be competent to have stand a trial? Would he be found to be sane or insane? What was his MO? What was his modus operandi and any signatures that he may have had during his crime that he was convicted of committing? As well as, would you find that he has an antisocial personality disorder? What is the evidence that would suggest that he does meet the criteria to be antisocial? As always, when you're finished, you will submit the feedback in Summit on this.